Today we discuss about basic concept of welding process. Here content are number 1 what is welding process, next one types of welding, gas welding, arc welding, merits and limitation of welding process, application and last one is conclusion. What is welding? The welding is a process of joining two or more similar or dissimilar metals by heating them to a suitable temperature with or without application of pressure, filler materials and flux. Welding is used for making permanent joints. Types of welding: plastic welding or pressure welding. The piece of metal to be joined are heated to a plastic state and forced together by external pressure. Example: resistance welding. Fusion welding or non-pressure welding, the material at the joint is heated to a molten state and allowed to solidify. Example: gas welding. Classification of welding process. First, gas welding, it is oxyacetylene. Second, arc welding, it is metal arc. Next, resistance welding, solid state welding, thermochemical welding, and last one is low temperature welding. What is gas welding? Gas welding is a fusion welding process in which the heat for welding is obtained by the combustion of oxygen and fuel. The gas may be acetylene, hydrogen or propane. Types: oxyacetylene, air acetylene, oxyhydrogen, oxyfuel. Oxyacetylene welding. When a combustion of oxygen and acetylene is used in correct proportions to produce an intense gas flame, the process is known as oxyacetylene welding. Here we show the diagram and how the functioning of oxyacetylene gas welding. Gas welding equipment: gas cylinders, pressure, oxygen, acetylene, regulators. It depends upon the thickness of workpiece to be welded. Pressure gauge, welding torch, check valve, and last one is non-return valve. Advantages and disadvantages of gas welding. Advantages: portable and most versatile process, better control over the temperature, suitable to weld dissimilar metal, low cost and maintenance. Disadvantage: not suitable for heavy section, slow rate of heating, less working temperature of gas flame. What is arc welding? Arc welding is a fusion welding process in which the heat required to fuse the metal is obtained from the electric arc between the base metal and electrode. Types: metal arc welding, submerged arc welding, tungsten inert gas welding, metal inert gas welding. What are the equipment for arc welding? A welding generator DC or transformer AC, two cables, one from work, one from electrode, an electrode holder, electrode, protective shields, gloves, wire brush, chipping hammer and goggles. What is metal arc welding? Uses an electric arc to metals. Arc welding is the most common method of welding metals. Electricity travels from the electrode to base metal to ground. Here we show the diagram and how the functioning of metal arc welding and electrode. Advantages and disadvantages of arc welding. Advantages: most efficient way to join metals, lowest cost joining method, provide design flexibility. Disadvantage: manually applied, need high energy causing danger, defects are hard to detect joints. What are the application of welding process? It is used in the manufacturer automobile bodies, aircraft frames, railway wagons, machine frames, structural works, tanks, furnitures, boilers, general repair, work and shipbuilding, etc. Conclusion: in this we learn about most popular welding types used in the industry. A good weld is always strong. General welding equipment is not very costly. Portable welding equipment are available. A large number of metals and alloy, both similar and dissimilar, can be joined by welding.